Good day everyone, I'm Ethel Marquez from BSIT 1D. So today, I'm going to present my case study about a real-world networking system. The system I choose in Converge ICT Fiber Optic Network. I choose Converge because it is one of the most widely used internet providers in the Philippines. Almost all of us use the internet every day for online classes, watching videos, social media, online banking, and even gaming. But we don't always think about how the internet actually works behind the scene. That's why I selected this topic. Introduction to the system. Converge ICT is a telecommunications company that provides high-speed fiber internet. It was established in 2015 and now operates across major cities like Metro Manila, Cebu, and Davao. Purpose of the system. The main goal of Converge is simple: to provide fast, stable, and reliable internet connection to homes and businesses. It connects users in the Philippines to national and international networks using fiber optic technology. Description of the real scenario. How the system works in real life. When someone subscribes to Converge, technicians install a device called an optical network terminal or ONT in their home. This ONT connects to a fiber optic cable outside. Then our phones, laptops, and smart TVs connect to that ONT through Wi-Fi or Internet cable. When we open a website or watch a video, the request travels from our device through the ONT, through fiber cables, to distribution boxes, to central offices, and eventually to international internet servers. Then the response travels back the same way. And that's how we see the web page or video almost instantly. So, the users of this system includes households, businesses, schools, and government office. The types of data transmitted include video calls, online classes, streaming, financial transactions, and social media content. Data communication and networking concepts applied. Data communication concepts. Data communication simply means sending and receiving digital information between devices through a transmission medium using rules called protocols. So, Converge uses different types of networks. LAN, inside homes or offices. MAN, within cities. WAN, across provinces and countries. So, when you open Facebook at home, your device connects locally first, then your data travels through a wider network across the country or even globally. Network models applied. The system follows the OSI model and TCP or IP model. So, let me explain this in a simple way. When you type a website, first, the application layer handles your request. Then, the transport layer divides the data into smaller pieces using TCP or UDP. Next, the network layer adds the destination IP address. After that, the data link layer prepares the frame and checks for errors. Finally, the physical layer sends the data as light signals through fiber optic cables. So, when the server replies, the process happens in reverse. This layering system helps organize communication so that data arrives correctly and efficiently. Transmission mode use. In converged dense urban deployments, BGP mitigates new flops, flown cable cuts, YDN reduces lookup latencies in a fragmented ecosystem. Combined, these protocols ensure robustness against attacks such as DDoS in line with ISO or LEC standard for dependable communication systems. So, the transmission media used: first, guided media. Single-mode optical fiber serve as the backbone for main lines offering minimal signal loss. Second, unguided media. Wi-Fi 6 and 7 technologies extend coverage indoors, working alongside fiber connection. Coaxial hybrid in select legacy installations, coaxial cables integrate with the fiber to support radio frequency overlays. OSI model data flow analysis. User inputs URL in browser, that is application layer. SSL encrypts payload, that is presentation layer. Session setup via SYN flags, that is session layer. Segments form TCP packets, that transport layer. Destination IP tags packets. So, network layer, frames bundle with CRC checks. Data link layer, pulses propagate via fiber. Physical layer, server EQS ACKS and the content reversing the path for rendering. Network diagram. User device, laptop or tablet. Wireless Ethernet is the sender. ONT optical network terminal fiber drop transfer to the local distribution box ODB aggregation point. To the central office hub is the backbone integratum. So, transmission media is first the primary fiber optic cable. Second, the secondary is the Wi-Fi. So, protocol used: first, DNS translates website name to IP address. HTTP or HTTPS transfer web content. Third, TCP or UDP manage data transmission. IP identifies devices. Lastly, the BGP controls routing between networks. Conclusion. In conclusion, Converge ICT fiber optic network is a clear example of how data communication works in real life. It applies networking models, uses multiple protocols, and relies on fiber optic technology to deliver fast and stable internet across the Philippines. Because of this system, millions of Filipinos can study online, work remotely, run businesses, and stay connected. This shows that networking is not just theory, it is something we experience every day. That's all. Thank you for listening.